Hey guys, welcome back to the show. It's Cooking with Jack show with Jack Scalfani, and this isn't my fault. This is my wife's fault. She had too much time at work. She was on Facebook and she saw a RIPOFF recipe, which I haven't done one in a while.
Wait, I wasn't at work. Don't get me in trouble at work. That's not funny.
Hello?
Here's when we're in the house. I got it.
I'm recording. Stop it. So anyway, now that my wife's done yabbering, let's get back to the video here. And they're these cookies. I didn't know they existed. It's a thing. They're called, what are they called?
Raspberry cheesecake.
Raspberry cheesecake.
Cookies.
Oh, cookies. That's
At
a great
Subway.
name. Yeah.
Subway.
So it's at Subway. It's kind of like when my wife goes to Starbucks during the holidays and has to get the
Raspberry Bliss. Cranberry
Bliss.
Cranberry
Yeah.
Bliss.
She's got these favorites that we can't eat normally because we're on a eating plan with Profile. But anyway, she wanted me to make this recipe. So she gave it to me. She forwarded it to me, and I bought all the ingredients. And I'm going to show you. We got people here who are going to be our taste testers, and they're going to let us know. We got the real cookies here, and then we're going to make the cookies here. Okay? So we're going to tell you if we failed or not. All right? So come on in close. Let me show you all the ingredients. All right, guys. Here is the hardest thing in the world to get. We had to go on Amazon for these. Good luck finding raspberries that are freeze-dried. So we ordered these through Amazon. They finally arrived, and we're finally filming this episode. So we have 2 bags because we're not sure. I haven't referred to the recipe to see how much we need yet. We got white chocolate chips. We got butter. We've got cream cheese, and once again, everything's at room temperature. Got vanilla. The eggs even at room temperature. If you guys don't cook at room temperature, you need to leave your stuff out. Whether you're barbecuing a steak or you're baking stuff and you're mixing stuff, let everything get to room temperature because the coldness will alter cook times. It will alter how the ingredients blend together. It's really important. And let me show you what it looks like. This is the finished product right here. We're going to use those as an example to compare next to ours, which are going to be better than this. Oh. Did I forget this? Oh, yeah, one of these two. Vanilla cake mix. All right, guys, we're starting with the cake mix in the bowl. We're going to take the cake mix, the cream cheese, throw that in there. The egg, drop that in there. Your vanilla extract. That, it's so weird because you only use a tiny bit, but it does so much. It's a good flavor. Okay, and the butter. Whoops. The powder almost went everywhere, guys. All right, so this is what we're going to do. So what I recommend when you're using a hand mixer, when you got stuff like this, once again, room temperature, guys, this is why, okay? You don't want big rock hard stuff. You go in there and you kind of mush everything around first. Don't even turn it on. Okay, get everything coated and mixed in and everything. And then you're going to slowly... Watch this video, guys. Whoop, see, there it went. So you want to keep going. Make sure you get it all combined the best you can. Here we go. And then you start mixing up. Sorry, honey. My wife's cleaning up the kitchen as I just destroyed it. She gets so angry when I do this. But I love her. All right, here we go. Let's try it again. Oh, I can do the pulse, can I? Where's the pulse? Nope. That's how you do it, and just slowly incorporate everything together. And if you see it climbing up on the sides, scrape down the sides, okay? All right, guys, this is the last step. We're going to combine the white chocolate chips with the raspberries. We're going to fold it in. Remember how I showed you how to fold? Just put it in there, and when you're folding, it's about being delicate. It truly is. That's why it's folding and not just mixing with a mixer. So you just slowly grab from the outside, fold into the center. There you go. That's it. You slowly rotate everything, and it comes out beautiful. Then we will be ready to put it on the cookie sheet. So you're going to grab kind of a medium scooper and just scoop it onto your cookie sheet. I use the silicone mats. You can use parchment paper if you want. All right, guys, so you're going to bake this at 350. I know, what a shock, right? 9 to 11 minutes. You're going to let it cool on this sheet. You can slide off if you want with the silicone mat for about 10 minutes, then transfer these to a cookie cooling rack. All right. Once again, the recipe is down below in the description box and the instructions are underneath that. Let's get it in. Okay, guys. Now, you know, all I care about is honesty on this show. If I screw up, I'll own it. All right. I'm going to call this right now. That does not look like that. Okay. That does not look like that. And I'm going to call it before I try it. And I'll be honest with you, if it doesn't taste alike, I will tell you. All right? But we'll see what happens. Anyway, I have some friends, and they're going to help me rate these cookies. You want to introduce yourselves? Just tell them who you are.
I'm Leslie.
I like to.
I'm Devin.
They just didn't wander. They're not like they're not Jehovah's Witnesses from the front door,
We've been
okay?
supervising.
Yeah. So do we each have one of each?
Yes.
All right.
Well, which one are we starting with?
All right. You're going to start with the Subway one.
Okay.
Okay. All right. We're going to start with the Subway one. Oh, you already heard that. But anyway, we're going to take a bite of that, and then we'll take a bite of the ones we made today, and we'll tell you what we think. Ready? Go ahead.
Good.
Good. It is good. Hold on to it. You're going to want it later. After you taste that piece of trash, I guarantee it.
Maybe not.
No, there will be. Hold on a minute. All right. You guys ready?
I think
And this
so.
is the one we made. Go
I
ahead.
kind of like the look
What?
of these better.
You like to look at these better? Really? Totally different. They're kind of close, but they're a little bit different. But they're not bad.
No, they're actually really good.
Just the
They're
texture is different, but it tastes the same to me.
These are fluffier.
Oh, I know what it is. They just taste fresher. Like they were just pulled out of the oven.
Yeah, that too. These seem a little less sweet too. Like those seem a little bit more
Yep.
like a sugar cookie, and this is like more of like a cake, I guess.
Okay. These are very close. I'll be honest. They're not as sweet. If you want a sweeter version, go to Subway. But these are really good. They're fluffy. They're amazing. I really like them. I'm very surprised at how good they came out. But are they alike? I can't claim I did a great rip-off recipe, but I appreciate your guys' help. Thank you very much. And have at it. We're having
I
cookies.
think I'm gonna finish this one.
Yeah, me too. I prefer this one.